that knowledge. This is effective application of your knowledge. So when we talk about careers, career is a task, career is a growth mindset, career is any activity, and what is success? Success is effectively doing your task, effectively doing your job. वो चाहे पढ़ने का है, वो चाहे स्पोर्ट्स है, वो चाहे पॉलिटिक्स है, whatsoever it is. और इन सब चीजों के लिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप देयर आर 3 फैक्टर्स बेसिकली. और वो 3 फैक्टर्स कौन कौन से हैं? नंबर 1 इज योर माइंड. माइंड इज इन्फिनाइट. माइंड कैन अचीव एनीथिंग. इसलिए बोले गए हैं हमारे वेदास के अंदर 4 महावाक्य. उनमें से एक महावाक्य है अहम ब्रह्मास्मि. क्या है? से लाउडर. अहम ब्रह्मास्मि. से लाउडर. और लाउडर जोर से. Until and unless you will not realize your mind. Virat Kohli, legend of cricket. Sachin Tendulkar, Professor Gita.
Now there are various stepping stones for your career, and these days we have 2 main examinations. The first one is IELTS, that is International English Language Testing System, and the next is PTE. सुना होगा सबने, Pearson Test of English, right? And we have another, that is Duolingo. The names of the module. Anybody out there? Okay, बड़े अच्छे बच्चे हैं यार, सब कुछ आता है. When you go abroad ना, there is another approach. वहाँ पर practical approach से पढ़ाया जाता है. आपको assignments दिए जाते हैं बनाने के लिए. Fine. So the approach of teaching abroad is somewhat different. What is being followed here in India? We just focused on the theoretical aspect, and a little is being given to the practical. So when you go abroad, you will see the difference. Fine. And the last but not the least benefit is it increases your international job prospects.
It helps you in bringing up creative ideas into the batch. So if you think that you are someone who would like to go into this field, MBA can be one. Now another option, you must be thinking, ma'am is just discussing MBA here. Another option here is you can go for government exams, you can go for the banking, finance stream, CA भी कर सकते हो, but CA again is a very long road. And you can go for educational exams, you can go for clerical exams, you can go for UPSC, HCS. Apart from that, one more thing that I would like to highlight here is, it would be nice if you keep a plan A, B, C. Most of the exams check your aptitude. So in case you are preparing for MBA, you are preparing for the clerical exams